Welcome to my review of Homestead, a website builder designed to help users create professional websites with ease. First, let's talk about the homepage experience. When you first land on the site, you'll see a clear call to action prompting you to start building your website. The interface is clean and simple, and it's easy to navigate through the options available. If you're new to website building, you'll find Homestead intuitive, with a straightforward setup process. The dashboard is where most of your actions will happen. You can choose from a variety of templates to get started, and the customization options are pretty flexible. I'll show you a few examples of how easy it is to tweak the layout, colors, and fonts. Homestead's templates are well designed and responsive, meaning they'll look good on both desktop and mobile devices, which is a huge plus. The drag-and-drop editor makes it easy to move elements around, but I did find that some advanced customization options can be a bit limiting compared to other builders. Pricing is a big factor when choosing a website builder, and Homestead offers a range of plans depending on your needs. I'll walk you through the pricing structure, showing you which plan might be the best value. They also offer domain registration, email, and e-commerce features, making it a one-stop solution for creating a website. If you're planning to sell online, their e-commerce tools are fairly robust, and the integration with payment gateways is seamless. When it comes to support, Homestead offers 24/7 customer service. During my experience, I found the support team to be responsive and helpful, which is important if you run into issues while building your site. Many useful links can be found in the description below, including resources that will help you with web development, tips for choosing the right website builder, and more. In conclusion, Homestead is a solid choice for those looking to build a website with minimal hassle. Its user-friendly interface, strong customer support, and reasonable pricing make it a contender among website builders. However, if you're looking for advanced customization options or extensive third-party integrations, you might find some limitations. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching.